friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore for pharmacy related updates. Today we are going to perform morphological and microscopic evaluation of clove bud. Now first we see the biological source. The biological source of clove bud is Eugenia caryophyllus, which is belonging to the family Myrtaceae, which contains not less than 70% weight by volume of clove oil, that is eugenol. Now in the morphological characters, the color of the clove bud is crimson red or dark brown. Then odor is slightly aromatic. Taste is pungent and aromatic. Size is 10 to 17 mm in length, 4 mm in width and 2 mm in thickness. And shape is dome shaped corolla, which is consist of petals and several stamens with stiff style. Now we will discuss the microscopic evaluation of clove bud. For this we require soaked clove bud, then glass slides, cover slips, razor, forceps and a paintbrush. And in dye we require safranin dye, methylene blue dye, glycerine and a watch glass containing safranin dye and a fresh water. Now we will perform the transverse section of clove bud. Now here first of all we will start with cutting clove bud transverse section by help of razor with its stalk part. And the dome shaped corolla part has been removed. Now take the section of clove part with the help of razor. We will collect the sufficient quantity of fine sections in the fresh water containing watch glass, and after that we will select the very fine section of clove bud with the help of brush. Now we will select the fine section of clove bud with the help of brush and then transfer the section in safranin dye containing watch glass for staining. And then transfer the stained section into the fresh water containing watch glass for removal of excessive staining. After that we will put the section on glass slide and then add 1 to 2 drops of glycerine for moisture content. Then we will place the cover slip on fine section and slide should be bubble free. Now our slide is prepared of the transverse section of clove bud. Our slide has been prepared of the transverse section of clove bud in methylene blue stain and in safranin dye. Now we will observe the slide under trinocular microscope for better resolution of image at 10x, 25x, 40x and 60x resolution of objective lenses. We can see different histological characters of clove bud with the help of trinocular microscope. Here you can see outermost layer is called epidermis It is single layer of straight walled cells with anomocytic type of stomata. Now the second layer will be cortex. It is consists of two zones. Upper zone contain radially arranged parenchymatous cells. Then second zone is schizolysogenous glands which are round in shape. Parenchymatous cells contain tannins. It shows dark brown color. Now the third zone is consists of bicollateral vascular bundles where xylem is composed with lignified spiral vessels. About 15 vascular bundles are present in ring form. Lignified fibers are also present around the vascular bundles. Now next zone is composed with parenchyma, which is parenchymatous air spaces. The zone containing parenchyma is called as lacuna. Now the next zone is composed at the center called columella, which is parenchymatous and rich in calcium oxalate clusters. Calcium oxalate crystals and stone cells are present in clove bud, but starch is absent. Now the chemical constituents of clove bud is 70 to 90% of volatile oil, that is eugenol, 13% tannins, small quantity of esters, ketones, caryophyllines, and clove oil is yellow in color. And the uses of clove are dental analgesics, carminative, flavoring agent, and aromatic and antiseptic. Now under 25x resolution, you can see the outermost layer, that is epidermis with anomocytic stomata, and second layer, that is cortex, which consists of parenchymatous cells with schizolysogenous glands in round shape. Now this slide is prepared with methylene blue dye. Here you can see the outermost layer, that is epidermis. Then second layer is cortex, consists of parenchymatous cells and oval shaped schizolysogenous glands. And the third zone is bicollateral vascular bundles, and after that next zone is parenchyma, which is known as lacuna, and the center part is known as columella. Now under the 25x objective lens, you can see the outermost layer epidermis, then the second layer cortex, which consists of parenchymatous cells and schizolysogenous glands. Now you can see the bicollateral vascular bundles where xylem is composed with lignified spiral vessels, and about 15 vascular bundles are present in ring form. Now after vascular bundles, the next zone is called parenchyma, which is composed of parenchymatous air spaces. It is called as lacuna. This is the center part of the clove bud, that is known as columella. The chemical constituents of the clove bud is 70 to 90% of volatile oil, that is eugenol, 13% tannins, small quantities of esters, ketones, and caryophyllines. Clove oil is yellow in color. And the uses of clove oil is dental analgesics, carminative, flavoring agent, aromatic and antiseptic.